Hello students, today we'll start a new chapter from West Bengal Board of Secondary Education class 9th book, chapter 18, area of circle. Okay, before we start this chapter, let us write the formula that will be required to solve the problems from this chapter. The first formula, one and only formula, okay, that is area of circle is given by the formula pi r square, where pi is a constant number, the value of which is usually used as 22/7, and r is the radius of the circle. Okay, radius of circle. That means if we know the radius of a circle, we can easily calculate the area of that circle, okay, by using the formula pi r square unit. And the second formula which we will use in this chapter is circumference of circle, which we have already done in our previous chapter, isn't it? Circumference of circle is given by the formula circumference, or we say perimeter as well. Circumference or perimeter of circle is given by the formula 2 pi r, okay, unit. Here also, if we know the value of radius, we can easily calculate the value of circumference by using the formula 2 pi r, because the value of pi is 22/7, isn't it? It's a constant number. Okay, now let us proceed to solve the questions from the chapter. Okay, number one question. Today the cow of Amina Bibi is fastened to a post with a rope of length 2.1 meter in the vacant field. Let us see by calculating how much maximum area the cow will graze. Okay, let's understand this question. Suppose we have a post here and a cow is tied with a rope. Okay, the length of the rope is this. This is given to us 2.1 meter. Length of the rope is 2.1 meter. Okay, this is the post and this is the cow. Okay, the maximum area the cow can graze is of the shape of a circle, isn't it? So the cow can graze within this circular field. Okay, so basically we are asked to find the area of the circular field having radius 2.1 meter, isn't it? Radius of this circular field is 2.1 meter. Okay, since length of the rope that is radius of circular field equal to 2.1 meter, isn't it? Now we are asked to find the area of this circular field. Okay, therefore area of the circular field is given by the formula pi r square, isn't it? And the value of pi is 22/7. Okay, 22/7. R is radius, isn't it? Radius is 2.1 meter. So r square means 2.1 into 2.1. Okay, so 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. We have a decimal point here. We put a decimal point before one digit. 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6. So we have a decimal point here. We put a decimal point into 2.1, isn't it? Now let us multiply this. 2.1 into 6.6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So this is 6 8 3 1. We have decimal point before 1 and 2 digit, so we put a decimal point before 2 digit. Okay, 13.86. We have meter as unit we are using, so square meters. So the maximum area that cow can graze is 13.86 square meters. Okay, so let me write that in the statement. Therefore the maximum area that cow can Greece is 13.86 square meters. Okay, so this is the solution for question number 1. Let us move on to question number 2. Question number 2. Suhana will draw a circle of which perimeter will be 35.2 centimeter. Let us see by calculating what length of radius Suhana takes to draw a circle and what will be the area of that circular field. Okay, now let us understand the question. Suhana draws a circle. Okay, now circumference of this circle is given to us. Perimeter and circumference, same thing. Okay, sometimes we use the term perimeter and sometimes we use circumference. Both are same. Perimeter is given 35.2, means circumference of the circle is 35.2 centimeter. Now what does the term perimeter mean? Perimeter means, suppose this circle is made out of wire, okay, string. If we cut this and stretch it, to make a straight line, so the same circular wire is stretched into a straight line. Okay, the length of this wire from this point to this point is 35.2 centimeter. Circumference means nothing, but if we stretch this wire into a straight line, the length of the wire is the circumference. Okay, circumference of the wire is given to us. We are asked to find the radius of the circle and the area of the circle. Okay, so let us assume the radius of the circular figure is r centimeter. Now given, since perimeter is given, isn't it? Perimeter or circumference, same thing. Okay, circumference, perimeter or circumference of circle is given to us 35.2 centimeter, isn't it? What is the formula for perimeter or circumference? We know that 2 pi r, isn't it? This is the formula for circumference, which is equal to 35.2 centimeter, isn't it? Or 2 into the value of pi is 22/7 into r equal to 35.2, or r equal to 35.2 into this 7 in the denominator goes to the numerator by cross multiplication. Okay, similarly this 2 into 22 will come down to the denominator. 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 34, 35, 2 in hand, so this becomes 22, 11 2s are 22. We have a decimal point before one digit, we put a decimal point here. 2 1s are 2, 2 16s are 32. We put a decimal point this here. Okay, so 1.6. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, isn't it? So we put a decimal point here. Or r equal to 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56, isn't it? We have a decimal point before one digit, we put here. That means r is 5.6 centimeter. So the value of radius of this circle is 5.6 centimeter, isn't it? Now let us find the area. The formula for area is, therefore, area of the circle drawn by Suhana, okay, is pi r square, isn't it? Pi is 22/7 into r. What is r? R is 5.6. So r square means 5.6 into 5.6. 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. We put a decimal point before one digit. Okay, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16, plus 1 is 17. We have a decimal point before one digit, so we put here into 5.6. Now let us multiply these two numbers, we get the answer. Okay, 17.6 into 5.6. 6 6 are 36, 3 in hand, 6 7 are 42, plus 3 is 45, 4 in hand, 6 1 are 6, plus 4 is 10. 5 6 are 30, 3 in hand, 5 7 are 35, 35 plus 3 is 38, 3 in hand, 5 1 are 5, plus 3 is 8. 6, this 5, 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. We have a decimal point before one digit and before one digit, that is 1 2 digit, before 2 digit. Okay, so 98.56. 98.56, this is area, so area is square centimeter. Okay, The area of this circle drawn by Suhana is 98.56 square centimeter. Now let us move on to the next question. Question number 3. Grandmother of Rekha made a circular table cover of area 5544 square centimeter. She wants to paste coloring tape surrounding the circular cover of the table. Let us see by calculating how long coloring tape she will buy. Now in this question we are provided with the area of a circle and we are asked to find the perimeter or the circumference. Okay, so let us understand this question first. Grandmother of Rekha wanted to cover this circular table with a tablecloth. Okay, after covering, and the area of this circular field is given 5544 square centimeter. Area of this circular table is given 5544 square centimeter. This is given. After covering with the tablecloth, she wants to cover with the coloring tape around this circular table. Okay, so what will be the length of the coloring tape needed by the Rekha's grandmother is the circumference of the circular table, isn't it? So first what we do is, using the area we find the radius of this circular table. Okay, after that we can find the circumference or the perimeter of the circular table, isn't it? First let us write the area. Since area of the circular table, this is given 5544 square centimeter. This is given to us. So what is the formula for area? Pi r square equal to 5544, isn't it? Area means pi r square and area is 5544. So from here we will find the radius of the circular table. Okay, pi is 22 by 7 into r square equal to 5544, or r square equal to 5544 divided by this 22 will go down to the denominator and this 7 will go to the numerator, isn't it? So let us cancel these two numbers. 11 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55. Now we cannot divide 4 by 11, so we take two numbers. Before taking two numbers we should put a 0 here. 11 4s are 44, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 in hand, this becomes 10, 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. Or r square equal to 252 into 7, isn't it? So let's find the factors of 252. 252 is actually 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 7 9s are 63, 3 3s are 9. So 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 3 is 252, isn't it? So instead of 252 I am writing 2 into 2, 7 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 3 into 3. Okay, and this 7 into 7, isn't it? 252 is this number, into 7 we write here, into 7. In the denominator we have 1, so no need to write 1 because every number has 1 in the denominator, isn't it? So we take this square to the right hand side, becomes root 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 7. Okay, or r equal to, we make pair and take it out of the root. Okay, so 2 and 2 makes one pair, becomes free from the root. This 7 and 7 makes one pair and becomes free from the root. 3 and 3 makes one pair and becomes free from the root. Or r equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 into 7 is 42 centimeter. Okay, so length of the radius of the circular table is 42 centimeter. Got the radius of this circular table, isn't it? Now we will find the circumference of the circular table, which will be equal to the length of the coloring tape. Okay, since circumference or perimeter same thing. Okay, circumference of circular table equal to 2 pi r, isn't it? Given by the formula, circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r. The value of r is 42. We already found this, isn't it? Into 42. 7 1s are 7, 7 6 are 42. 6 2s are 2 into 6 is 12. 12 into 22. Okay, 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24. 25, 26. So 264 centimeters. Length of the coloring tape required to surround this circular table is 264 centimeter. Okay, this is the solution for question number 3. Okay, this much for today. Stay tuned and God bless you all. Thank you so much.